Chef Mads reporting for duty.
Healthy food edition.
Yeah. So first we're gonna start with some healthy sweet treats, and they're gonna look like this. Dates filled with nut butter. So good. This is super simple. All you really need are dates and some nut butter.
Alrighty, let's hop right into this voiceover. First, we're gonna pop these dates out. Good. Look at those little thingamabobs. Okay, we're gonna slice it. Good sound effects, yeah? Yeah, and do it to all of them. And look at that. Now you're gonna pop out the seed. Pop. Wow. And yep. And then we're gonna slide this nut butter right into the date. Here we have it. Look at me posing with my dates. Wow, I got 3 dates. Get on my level.
The next snack is my favorite. So what you need is a tortilla, hummus, bell pepper, red onion, and some spinach.
Woohoo! Let's get right into this. We're gonna get the hummus, spread it around the tortilla, nice even layer all around. Oh yes. Now we're gonna get the veggies ready. So we're gonna slide this over, get the pepper, and then we're gonna dice up the peppers and onions, as you will see in the next few seconds. And the best part, rolling it. Look at this. Ooh, yes. Woohoo! And this is when you know you're done. Bada bang, bada boom. I spilled everything everywhere. And we're gonna slice it in half. You can do this if you want. You don't have to. It's up to you. And look at that. And I think I said it looks like something you get at Starbucks. Wow. Now let's get into snack number 3.
Here we go, the last one, number 3.
Alright, let's get back at it with a third voiceover. We're gonna first put this yogurt on and spread it around like what we did with the hummus. Boom. And then we're gonna peel the banana. You know that song, like, peel bananas, peel bananas. That's what we're doing right now. We are peeling the bananas. And then we're gonna slice it up. Dice. And then we're gonna sprinkle the oats. Get the real, like, inner salt bay, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna put the bananas on. Wow, look at that beauty. And sprinkle the honey on the top, or drizzle if you wanna say. Ba-bam. Beautiful, like what I said. And we're gonna roll it, of course, the best part. Wow. Alrighty, that's it for now. Talk to you next time. Peace.
Bam. I hope you enjoyed Chef Mads. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. I hope you like these treats too, because they're so good.